I never thought I would be sitting here telling this story. A year ago, I was in a different place, a place many of you might relate. I was stuck in a paycheck to paycheck cycle, drained by the daily grind, wondering if this is what life had to offer. Spoiler alert, it's not. I was working in a job that was paying the bills but wasn't giving me the life that I wanted. I was exhausted physically, mentally, and emotionally. And once the end of the month rolled in, I had really nothing. No savings, no joy, just stress. And one day I asked myself, is this really what I want to do for the rest of my life? And for the first time, I answered this question with honesty. Am I gonna let myself live this way forever? Of course not. It wasn't easy quitting without any safety nets. I had no plan A, no plan B, no plan C. But what terrified me the most was me seeing this job and living like this for the rest of my life. So I decided to walk away. No job lined up, no freelance in sight. Just a gut feeling that I would create something even better. The first few weeks, I was terrified. I was freaking out. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where I'm gonna pay my car payments, my insurance, my health insurance, all those payments, food, all those kind of necessities that I need to pay. I don't know where it's gonna come from. There was days I questioned my decisions, wondering if I actually made a mistake. But here's what I realized. I didn't need a perfect plan. I just needed to start. I needed something that pushes me every single day. So I did. So I decided to start small and list all my skills that I know how to do. Everything I have learned in my lifetime, any skills, any knowledge that I have, I told myself I'm just gonna start looking for something that I'm good at. Content creation, writing script, social media management, virtual assistant, you name it. I started updating all my freelancing platforms. And I started reaching out to people I knew that I actually didn't talk to for, I think, 3 years. Wasn't glamorous, let me tell you. And I'm still in the momentum of creating income and creating my YouTube channel as well. So I want to take you with me in this journey for you to be able to be free as well and be able to create that freedom for yourself. That's why I started this YouTube channel, to even help me and help you in your journey if you want to become a freelancer full-time. Today, I'm not where I want to be yet, but I am so much closer than I was. At least I do have a list of things that I want to do and people that I know that can give me jobs. I'm not talking about full-time jobs. I'm talking about gigs or freelancing jobs that I can do on the side. Freelancing isn't actually easy, but it's giving me freedom than my 9-to-5 job. I have control over my time and a chance to create a life that aligns with my values. So what's next? I'm setting clear goals for my freelancing business. How many clients I want, how much income I want to make every month, and the type of work that I love doing. I don't want to go back to doing something that I don't like and I don't enjoy anymore. So right now I just want to focus on the things that actually I enjoy doing than regretting doing it. I'm also working on building multiple streams of income, like creating digital products, having my YouTube channel, and providing coaching on the side. And the most important thing, I am focusing on personal growth, investing in myself, learning new skills, and staying consistent. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel because I know you will learn something useful from my videos. I will make sure that I'm gonna share all the ins and outs, the good and bad, in the reality of becoming a freelancer. So stay tuned in my journey. If you are watching this and you are stuck in a similar place, just know you're not alone. It's okay to feel scared. And it's okay not to have it all figured out. I'm 32 and I quit my job, guys. Quitting my job wasn't the smart thing to do without no plan. But it was the right thing for me. Sometimes you have to take a leap of faith, to trust yourself, to figure it all out along the way. And if you are in the same journey, please share your story down in the comments to help other people too. Let's support each other in this journey and let's make it happen. It's 2025 and I know that we can become full-time freelancers. Thank you for being here and watching till the end and sharing this moment with me. Keep believing, keep building, and you got this.